In this video, we'll show how to split PDF documents by bookmarks and custom file naming using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The sample PDF document we will use for this tutorial has a collection of resumes, and each resume has a bookmark with a person's name. Our goal is to automatically split this document into separate PDF files based on bookmarks and name output files, using bookmark titles and optionally text from the documents. To do this, click on the menu button, then on the Plugins section, click on Split Documents and select the Split Document option. If the Split by Bookmarks method is used, then by default bookmark titles are automatically used to name each output file, and no settings need to be adjusted. Click on OK, select Processing Mode, and click on OK again. As you can see, the documents have been created and named after the corresponding bookmark titles. To review the results, you can open the output folder. For the second example, we will use a more complex file naming scheme. To do this, navigate and click on the menu button. Click on Plugins, then on Split Documents, and select the Split Document option. In the base file name box, you can optionally use a prefix. In our example, we will have resume- as our prefix. To add a custom text separator, click on the Add button. Select the Custom Text option and click on Next to enter your custom text. In our example, we will use a dash with spaces. Press on OK when text is entered. To add text from a page location, click on the Add button again and select the Text from Location button. Click on Next. In this tab, use the Zoom and Box tools to select an area on the page. In our example, it is where to extract the employee ID number. Once the page area has been selected, click on OK. Click on OK again. As you can see, the documents have been created. To inspect the results, you can open the output folder. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.